As soon as you have logged in, the community starts in the field administration. In the upper left corner you will find the FarmBlick logo, which will take you directly to our website. You can expand the menu view with the 3 lines below. You can access the submenus via the respective icons. The farm icon takes you to the farm management, the field management and the import and export. In the 2 leaves you will find all the functions related to practical crop production. Here you can view the long-term satellite data, i.e. the zoning, but also the real-time satellite data, the monitoring, and process them into application maps. Here you will also find direct access to the application map menu and can quickly and easily calculate and manage lanes in the lane management. In the external data area you will find all information that is not directly calculated in the FarmBlick community. This can be, for example, soil samples or yield mapping data. With the help of the chat symbol you can access the actual community area. Here you can express new ideas and wishes for the further development of the FarmBlick community and exchange information with other users. The FarmBlick icon will take you to an overview map where you can find our partners directly at your locations. The cogwheel symbol takes you to the settings and statistics. Here you can see your statistics and how long your license is still valid. You can also change the language here. The connections to external programs such as the John Deere Operations Center are also set here. In addition, you will find information on data protection, the terms of use and our imprint. Below that are 2 arrows for directly importing and exporting data to and from your farm equipment. Last but not least is the button for logging out and leaving the application. In the upper right corner is the button map material. Here, depending on the federal, state and country, you can display various map models such as the soil estimate. You can also find our rain radar here. Finally, there is a button for zooming on the right-hand side of the screen. This is done via the plus and minus icons. This function is also performed by turning the mouse wheel. If you select the satellite icon, a calendar opens where you can view the satellite photos of the past days. Days on which an image is available are highlighted in green. You can switch the field view to transparent with the eye.